In this video, I'll show you how to check saved drafts on LinkedIn. If you started writing a LinkedIn post but didn't publish it yet, LinkedIn lets you save it as a draft so you can come back later. The important thing to understand is that for regular LinkedIn posts, there usually isn't a separate drafts folder that works like an email inbox. LinkedIn says the draft of your post will auto-populate the next time you open the post creation window, which means the easiest way to check a saved draft is simply to open the Post Composer again. On desktop, sign into LinkedIn and go to your homepage. Click Start a Post at the top. If you previously saved a draft, LinkedIn says that draft should appear automatically in the post pop-up window so you can continue editing it, publish it, or discard it. So if you're looking for a saved draft and don't see a special drafts tab, that is normal for regular profile posts. Opening the Composer again is the actual way to access it. If you're using the LinkedIn mobile app, the idea is very similar. Tap Post in the navigation bar to open the post page. LinkedIn says a saved draft will auto-populate there the next time you open that screen, so you can pick up where you left off and continue working on your post. Now let's quickly go over how drafts get saved in the first place. LinkedIn says that after typing your post, you can tap or click Cancel, then choose Save Draft or Save. Once you do that, the post is stored for later and should reopen the next time you access the Post Composer. There are also a couple of limitations to keep in mind. LinkedIn says you won't be able to edit saved photos or videos inside the draft, so if you want to change them, you may need to delete and re-upload them. It also says you may have to re-upload an attachment if you want to change the post visibility. And here's one more thing that can confuse people. LinkedIn also has other kinds of drafts, like article drafts, which are handled differently and can be accessed later for editing, publishing, or deleting. But for a normal LinkedIn post, checking the draft usually just means reopening Start a Post or Post and letting the saved draft load there automatically. So again, to check saved drafts on LinkedIn, open the post creation window on desktop or mobile. And if you already saved a draft, LinkedIn should load it automatically for you. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.